Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Thomas and I'll be reading the week 1 quiz to you today. Question number 1, which is not a characteristic of capitalism? Market economy, supply and demand, freedom of competition, a society without social classes. Number 2, what is a stock? A loan to be paid back with interest, a single company that controls an entire industry, the amount of money a company has in the bank, or a small piece of ownership in a company. Question number 3. England colonizes the New World and gains access to new land and resources as it tries to minimize imports and maximize exports. This is an example of feudalism, capitalism, mercantilism, or socialism. Question number 4. Based on the map below, how was Britain benefiting from the American colonies? The American colonies provided England with vast amounts of gold and silver. The colonies provided Britain with manufactured goods, and Britain would then export raw materials back to the colonies. The colonies provided Britain with resources, and Britain used those resources to produce and export manufactured goods. The colonies would sell goods directly to Spain. Adam Smith's ideas outlined in the book Wealth of Nations argue that government should have a limited role in the economy. This set the foundations for which economic policy? Mercantilism, capitalism, socialism, or feudalism? Number 6. How does communism differ from capitalism? Under communism, the government controls production and prices. With communism, people have more personal economic freedoms. Both communism and capitalism were political ideologies that developed in the 19th century. Communism is solely an economic system, with capitalism in a political system, while capitalism is a political system. Question number 7. What would make a communist nation have fewer and less innovative products at higher prices than a capitalist nation? People didn't like choices in communist nations. Communism makes people satisfied with basic products because it makes equality among all a reality. Communist nations rely on taking over capitalist nations for more products at a lower price. Capitalist nations have publicly owned companies that compete with one another, which leads to better quality products, lower prices, more innovation, and variety. Once you're done with your quiz, don't forget to click Submit Quiz so that the results go into the grade book and can be visible by you and your teacher. Good luck.